That strawberry smells good.
Okay, so how are we going to do this? How are we going to do this, Papa?
What? Huh?
Are we singing 2 times, 1 time?
Oh, we gotta sing 2 times. 1 time. Let's sing to Elizabeth first.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, here's for Elizabeth. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
to you. Don't do it. Happy birthday, dear Elizabeth.
Happy birthday to you.
Now sing happy birthday to Mama and Papa.
Okay, can you blow it
You wanna
out?
blow it out?
Let Elizabeth do it. Blow. Blow out. Can you,
Blow it.
can you do that?
Blow it?
Can you blow it?
Okay,
I
blow.
guess I can blow it.
Blow.
Go.
Can you blow on it?
Blow it out. Blow, blow, blow.
Hey, show her.
No.
Do you wanna
Like
do
this.
it?
Like this.
No, no. You
Like
don't do
blowing
it.
a
You.
Blah, blah.
Do you want
I
to blow
can
it
blow.
out?
Okay.
Come right here.
Go. Never do it.
Tell her how to put her face next to it.
I'll do it with you.
Don't do,
Can you blow it?
guys, don't do this.
Do it.
Or I'll do it. Don't do
No,
it
it's you.
from me, guys.
Come up here, Lily.
Nailed it.
Oh, 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 yay! All right, we'll wait for you, Lily.
It helped blow. Okay.
All right, love.
All right.
Next, can I?
Hold it.
Go.
Next, can,
Go. Go.
Happy birthday, Elizabeth.
sing to Mom and Papa next after